Your facility relies on buses as an integral part of your everyday business. Whether your buses are out of service, used infrequently, or running at full capacity, now is the perfect time to refresh your maintenance solutions. State's Customizable School Bus Bundle features effective maintenance solutions to support your vehicles. Whether you're looking to combat rust, touch up the paint, or repair leaks, our school bus bundle can help you maintain buses and stay on the road. So how do you use these products in your routine maintenance? Let's start with Handy Seal. Spray this on the rivet holes on top of the bus. This creates a tight seal to keep things such as rainwater from leaking in. With regular use and varying weather conditions, rust can happen at any time. Converter coat can be sprayed to neutralize existing rust while also preventing new rust formation. Use this to treat common areas of rust formation, such as around wheels, on the back door, front door, hood, and more. Once completely dry, paint over the area using one of our extreme paints. Seal and weatherproof a variety of applications with Handy Shot. This silicone sealer can block air and moisture wherever you have a leak, including bus windows and doors. Once you have repaired other maintenance issues, use extreme high solids coatings to refresh the exterior. We offer these high solids, low VOC aerosol coatings in school bus yellow and gloss black. This is a limited offer, so get your buses ready for the road with this all-in-one school bus bundle maintenance kit. Another great solution from State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.